All right, so real quick, I wanted to address this this word here, husband. Now, this is written in the Greek, so this word husband is the Greek word Anér. Okay, the problem with that word Anér that you see right here is that it has so many different meanings, or I'm gonna say translation uses, right? So Anér, now usage means how it's used in translation. A male human being, a man, and husband. Now that's a rainbow of usages. Like, to just say a man versus husband is a big difference. And again, it's only the usage. It doesn't mean that this is accuracy. This is just usage, okay? So when you actually go to the definition, it just means a man. I'm showing this because, again, this is the video that's scheduled to come out in a few hours is going to deal with this. This husband is a typo. I'm going to say not a typo, but a mistranslation. This is a mistranslation, as I've shown in other versions. It actually says father instead of husband. Again, here, a man. Right here you have brethren, gentlemen, husband. Like, this is a rainbow of usages for just one word. This is how we know that that husband that we see right here is a mistranslation based upon this, the 14, 14, 14 generations we get in verse 17. If this Joseph here is the husband of Mary, then that means this is 13 generations instead of 14. There's an error somewhere, whether it's this, which I doubt, or with this, which I would understand because there's so many different meanings or usages from one word. And that's where I think in translation, it was translated wrong in the KJV. Remember, this is connected to the KJV and, you know, this stuff right here. As shown in the video that's scheduled to be released, I use another version which blatantly says father of Mary, which makes it a perfect 14 generations. Nobody's counting these generations. They just, whatever, you know what I mean? They just assume it to be accurate, but I don't know if it was done intentionally or what, but this word husband is a flagrant foul. It's father. That's very important, and I'm showing this for understanding. These are all of the many different usages of the one word, where it makes it easy for it to be mistranslated. And this is all of the different usages on the right, where it's a mix of man and husband. So which one is it? If it can be used either way, how is that the husband of Mary and it be 14 generations? It's physically impossible. All right, so then it further states that I want to deal with this doctrine of the before they came together. Now, the doctrine shows that or I'm not going to say show, but the doctrine is just that it's stated, you know, a marriage ceremony or whatever. The problem with that is that it's giving you the they as these two people. Every time you see the before they came together, it's giving you the instance, whether it be they came together for a marriage ceremony, they came together to go to war, they came together to meet together for a Sabbath day, whatever the case may be, each instance it's giving you the before they came together. So there's no need to cross and mix those different instances in with this one. This instance gives you the they, Mary and Joseph, coming together because she was found with the child before they got it popping. This is giving you the remainder, these 4 elements here, 1, 2, 3, 4, of why he needed to not make her a public example. But this is a private matter, and it says so right here, privily. He put her away. None of this has anything to do with the community. So I don't know why people are saying this has to do with the community coming together willy-nilly, whether it be to stone her for being with child prior to them, you know what I'm saying, while they were espoused, or the other way, you know what I mean? So, meaning the ceremony. So this is a private thing, and it says so. That's the point. We don't have the jurisdiction to mix another scenario of coming together in with this one. Nobody has that power. Again, this is just a warm up to the video that's scheduled to come out, but that's all I have for now, as it is written, and I'm out.